Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a live chat translation works on your phone. Okay, let me show you. Sometimes we want to chat with people who don't speak our language. Then in this video I'm going to show you how live chat translation works on your phone, where the message are translated automatically or the message works in real time. Okay, then this means how your phone live chat translation works, where you can communicate with the peoples who don't speak your language. Let me show you here. You have to come here into your message, where you can write your message. Then by starting to type the message you want, let me suppose that I want to chat with Chinese. You have to come here. Then you see here we have translate. Click here on translate. Let me choose English. We are going to use English. Let's find English. Where we are going to write the message into English. Let me write hello. Then Chinese, it is translated into Chinese. You see here, this is Chinese. Let me show you. I'm going to write English. Hello. This is Chinese. Let me change. Let me find another language like French. Bonjour. You see, it is automatically translated. Here, I'm supposing that I'm chatting with people who don't speak my language. Let me choose. Let me write. We are going to use English, then translate our English into. Let me find another language we are going to translate into. Let me choose Japanese. Suppose that I'm chatting with Japanese, where I don't speak the language from Japan. Then let me write, how are you? How are you? You see? This is Japanese. You can send it. You see? Suppose that this is the message I'm getting from the people. Then I need to read it because I don't know this language, this Japanese language. You have to come here into, then copy this message, select the message, then come here to 3 dots, then copy, then into here, instead of writing, come here to 4 dot, then translate. Then I'm going to choose auto detect language, then paste. It is Japanese. You see, I'm going to translate into English. You see, it is how are you? Are we together? It is easy. Then I invite you to subscribe this channel. If you are not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, you can subscribe, like and comment. Then that will help you to view or to get more informations or more videos to this channel called Mr. Etienna Tech. This is my YouTube channel. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I appreciate your time and your bundle you are using to view my videos. Thank you for watching.